My pretty, is everything okay?
Tita, gusto ko lang po humingi ng pasensya niyo sa lahat po ng mga ginawa ko. Yung pagiging bad ko sa inyo, yung attempt ko po na isabotage yung launch ninyo, lahat po yun kasalanan ko po. And I'm sorry.
Hindi ka talaga nagmana kay William kasi ikaw, you owe up to your mistakes. And of course, I forgive you. In fact, I'm never mad at you in the first place. I'm not here to replace your momsy or even take away your popsy. Hindi naman ako evil witch.
Pero payag po ako na maging kayo ni Popsy. Hindi na po ako tututol. Love ka po niya eh.
Your dad is a very dear friend of mine. A very dear one. At mahal ko rin siya. Pero bilang best friend, walang labis, walang kulang. Matagal na kaming magkakilala. At walang makakapagpatanggal ng pagkikare ko sa kanya. He is the closest friend that I have. Bumalik lang ako to rekindle all the long-lost friendship.
Pero tita, pwede ho po humingi ng isa pang favor?
Anything for you, my pretty. Well, we can assure you that we have the best inutak in town. Thank you so much for ordering.
Ellen? Ano nangyayari dito?
Nag-agree si Tita Ellen na tulungan tayo i-salvage yung reputation ng Josie's Inutak.
Well, I'm making calls here and there para ma-promote at ma-boost ang promotion and para mabura yung tarnished reputation during my launch. And also, I even asked my clients to delete and to take down their post during that day.
Pero bakit ka pa nandito? Are you staying for good?
Huwag masyadong umasa. Nag-extend lang ako ng 2 weeks.
Ay, akala ko pa naman...
Papa, ang yearner mo naman.
Well, next week, I'll be flying back to Sanfo. Pero, let's keep in touch, Mr. B.O.
Ikaw, kinabala mo pa si Tita Ellen mo.
Kung wari ka pa, happy ka naman na nandito